Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well and doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my videos. Yes guys, I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. You can see I am sharing beautiful short undercut haircut ideas and hairstyle ideas in this video. In this video, I will show you how you can style your haircut ideas with undercut hairstyle and how you can color your haircut ideas with undercut hairstyles. So let's start the video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can also get your favorite hairstyle with favorite hair color as well. No doubt, these are all haircut ideas are really outstanding, mind-blowing and fantastic that you will see and you will adopt this hairstyle as you see and watch. These haircuts will inspire you to get these haircuts as you watch as early as possible. So don't waste your time, girls. Just take a screenshot of your favorite one and go to your hairstylist. And let me know also which haircut and hairstyle you select for yourself because you can choose that hairstyle which suits you. You know yourself than anyone else. So you can select better option for yourself. And I hope you like this video and my effort too. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section. And you can also share your ideas through comment section that what kind of videos you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video on your ideas because your ideas and wish is my first priority. I make video for you guys always. And if you like the videos, you can also share them to your friends and family members and social contacts. In this way, they also can get updated from the fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend as well. In this video, I am showing you how beautifully girls are carrying the beautiful undercut hairstyle ideas with short hairs and long hairs. So guys, don't waste your time. Go to your salon and take these ideas. I will be there in next video with one of your another topic. I hope you like this video today. So keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting me and my channel too. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and remember me in your prayers. God bless you all and don't forget to share, subscribe and like the channel. Take care of yourselves and have a great hair day.